So welcome to my studio. This is the official video, finally. I think it's been like 5 years, maybe. I've been here for 5 years now in this small studio apartment. So let's check out my painting space over here behind me. So on the wall here, I have obviously some color charts I've made. Here's some canvases I just made, stretched myself. Other materials, I have this cart. It's nice, stores a lot of stuff. I just put stuff in boxes, kind of organize it. Another table kind of rolls out and raises up. Boxes for, or drawers rather, for storing materials and paint. And then back there I have a shelf, which kind of organizes everything. As you can see, there's paintings up at the top in boxes, canvases, paint box, solvent brushes, brush rack. Got a big easel here. So that's my painting area. That's my little studio area. And what happens when I want to paint or something or draw, I pull that easel out into the space here. And then once I'm done, I push everything back into the corner. So it's a nice, organized, as best as possible, little studio setup. And the other part of my studio is actually on the opposite wall behind me. This is kind of where I spend most of my time because I have my day job. I do graphic design work. So it's over here sitting on the laptop all day, editing videos, doing music. This is where the live streams get filmed. I eat lunch and dinner here at this. This is actually our dining table, but I'm using it as my desk right now until we get a bigger place. Sometime in the next lifetime, hopefully, we can get a bigger space, but I have a set of drawers here, organizes my computer stuff and other art stuff, drawing stuff, and some frames and stuff back there. I hang all my artwork on the walls, as you can see. We sleep up there, and we have the kitchen and the bathroom. That's my girlfriend's area, and more paintings covering the walls as much as possible for storage space. Then here's our bikes we keep inside because these are expensive, and bikes can get stolen around here. So we keep them inside, and it's pretty much a mess right now. So that's pretty much just a quick tour of my studio, kind of where I've been working, where I work when I paint. You know, I just stand there, I pull everything out. And it's just a nice space. It's compact. It has to be compact. It has to be organized, because when you're in such a small space like this, you have to just be as organized as possible in order for it to be efficient and useful. So it's been very useful for me. I hope you liked this video. Hope it gave you some insight on how to, maybe organize your small space if you work in a small space, if you have to use your bedroom or a corner of a room or some small room in your basement. I used to have a really small room in my basement. I had to keep everything in there. I didn't have as much stuff as I do now, but it was still challenging. I had drawers and had to organize everything. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, post any comments down below. Let me know what you think. Keep on painting and drawing. Don't get discouraged. Take care of yourself. Peace.